Let's take a look inside this EPICKA TA105 Pro. This is a adapter for electricity when you're traveling, and it has a really interesting set of features. I'm going to take it out of the box here as it's shipped, and it comes in a nice travel bag with soft sides, zipper top, and we can pull the cube out of there. We have a couple of fuses right away in a plastic bag. It says they're 10 amp fuses. We'll put those back in the pouch. It's got a EPICKA sticker, pretty cool, and then the user manual for the device. You can set that here next to the pouch. And you can see this is designed to work with power systems all around the world. As we pull this out, we can see that on one side we have sliders. You can flip out USA, and you get our USA plugs here. Push this safety, and you can bring out the United Kingdom's plugs. Looks like a robot face. And then you can bring out this other one that is from space. Aliens use this one. So you can slide that one back in. Very cool. You've got a USB C1 on this side. You've got a thing here that shows you the front face. And then on the bottom, you've got a USB 1, a USB 2, two USB-Cs. Very nice. So we have some stuff to read here and a little cling to pull off the front. Very cool. Only need the one block in its little pouch to travel and have power all over Europe, and I'm pretty sure in space. Very cool. Hope this helps.